Okay, third period. Let's take a look at number 3 for your homework. I'm on page 192, and I'm going to start with number 3. Number 3, the problem is 2 7/8 plus 3 plus 3 3/4. Okay, there are 2 things I need to do before I can add. The first thing that I need to do is find a common denominator. The second thing I need to do is change the mixed numbers into improper fractions. All right, let's start with number 1. We're going to find a common denominator. We find a common denominator by writing all the multiples of both denominators. So I will start by writing the multiples of 8. I'm going to write the first 5 and see if I can find one there. So we have 8, 16, 24, 32, and 40. Then I'll write the first 5 of 4. So we'll do 4, 8, 12, I almost said 16, 12, 16, and 20. All right, some of you should be able to see what our least common denominator is, which is 8. Okay, now that I've found a common denominator, before I can do anything else, I need to change these fractions, or write equivalent fractions with a denominator of 8. So 2 7/8 already has a denominator of 8, so I don't need to do anything to that. But 3 3/4 I will rewrite as 3 and something over 8. Now the big question is, what do I have to multiply 4 by to get to 8? And the answer is 2. So I will also multiply 3 times 2 and get 6. So 3 3/4 becomes 3 6/8. Now that I have 2 fractions with common denominators, I will rewrite the fractions as, I will rewrite the mixed numbers as improper fractions. So in order to do that, we do 2 7/8. We're going to use the Texas method. So I'll put my T and my X, and I'll go from bottom to top. 8 times 2 is 16, plus 7 will give me 23 over 8, and 3 6/8. There's my T and my X, my plus and multiplication sign, or addition and multiplication sign. 8 times 3 is 24, plus 6 is 30 over 8. Now I have found a common denominator. I have changed my mixed numbers into improper fractions. All I have left to do is add. And remember, when we add 23, let me give myself some space, 23 over 8 plus 30 over 8. We only add the numerators. That's why we have to make sure that our denominators are the same. So 23 plus 30 gives us 53 over 8. I'm almost done. I just finished this by changing my improper fraction back into a mixed number by using the bow tie method. So we will do 53 divided by 8, and 8 goes into 53 6 times, and 6 times 8 is 48. And 53, let's see, 13 minus 8 is 5, 4 minus 4 is 0. So I have 6 5/8, and I am done.